Hi, teacher. My name is Lady Bonilla. This is tax number 2. I'm going to answer the question for my video. My name is Lady Bonilla. My family name spelled Bonilla. I'm from Bogota. I am making both things the same thing now. So now. I would like to teach and learn different language. A couple of people that they can learn the language I know. So it's the things that I want very interested. I for know some more cultures or I enjoy my spending my free time with my family and the people that my special people is the things that I would like to do. And even when I make my workout exercise, I like to do these kind of things, talk and cooking with the people that I love. Okay, I think the best way that I can improve my English is learning for videos, watching videos, and even I can talk with my boyfriend because he is from USA, so it's really good because I can talk and listen here. I would like to learn about French, even Italian language. I love this kind of language. And nothing more. I think that would be very nice. Even I would like to learn many languages, but for now, French and Italian is good. Okay, this is all. Thank you for listening. I hope that things are good with me. See you soon. Thank you.